Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rons.
My name is Jan, and without further ado, we would like to welcome the Sex Bomb Girls! Give them a round of applause! Woohoo!
Ayan na! Buksan ang ating mga camera. A once in a lifetime, ladies and gentlemen, the Sex Bomb Girls is in the house.
Again, let's give a round of applause to Sex Bomb Girls! And they don't need an introduction from me. I would go ahead and hand the mic over to them for them to introduce themselves and share a bit more of their experience here in Toronto.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Ira Bermudez, the dancing warrior of the Sex Bomb Girls.
Hi, good evening. I'm Sex Bomb Cynthia. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sex Bomb Aifa. Hi, everyone. My name is Sex Bomb Jackie. Good evening. I'm Javel. I'm Danielle. Hi, I'm Sex Bomb Mama Weng. Hi, ako po si Hey, update lang. Sex Bomb Monique. Hello po, good evening po. Ako po si May.
Hi, good evening. I'm Joanna.
Hello everyone, I'm Sherry Ann. Good evening everyone, I'm Jackie Rivas.
Hello, I'm Sunshine Garcia Castro.
Ako po si Mia Pangyarihan.
Hello, I'm Sex Bomb Shane po.
Good evening everyone, I'm Sex Bomb Sandy.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Sex Bomb Grace, ang Barbie ng Sex Bomb. Hello, good evening. Ako po si Jopay Pagya Zamora. Hi, good evening. I'm Sex Bomb Micah Ageco.
Yung mga tagline. Ako po si Rochelle Pangaling. Welcome po sa aming show. Wow,
So tonight they had an opportunity to explore Toronto with the assistance of Jump In. One of the persons who went around Toronto today is Miss Ira. Miss Ira, can you share some thoughts about your trip to to Toronto? Sorry.
Well, we went to Niagara Falls today. We got No, I just wanted to thank our producers, sponsors, and of course our NY team. Yes, kasi sobrang na-spoiled nila talaga yung stay namin. And we went to Niagara Falls today. That's all of the Sex Bomb, not all the Sex Bomb, but we got to enjoy the mist. Love you, mist. And we had the best day today. And dahil dyan, humanda kayo bukas. Because we will give you the best show ever.
Sex Bomb Girl! I'll be Toronto tomorrow.
Yes, sobrang nag-enjoy po kami. So tomorrow nga po, i-ready na po ninyo kung sino man po ang kailangan i-ready yung mga balakang, mga boots. Katulad namin, may mga energy na, may mga nakapagpahinga na po, may mga nakapaglaba na, so ready na po kami lahat.
Oo na, ako na yun. Ako na po yung nagpahinga. Kasi hindi ko po magpahinga para may energy bukas at maglaba. Pero na-enjoy po namin ang Canada simula Edmonton hanggang dito sa Toronto. Opo.
At kumain kayo ng Toronto. Yeah, so I hope you guys had a good time in Toronto. Kasi after tomorrow, ilipat na naman sila. Flying away na naman sila. So I would like to move on to the next part of our program for tonight. We will be calling on our beloved sponsors for them to have an opportunity to have a picture with the girls. I'm fresh na fresh po sila tonight kasi tomorrow, puksaan na. Opo. Yes, and while we prepare the stage for the photo op because I think we have to remove some tables. I will give the floor to my partner and ask him, ano bang paborito mong kanta ng Sex Bomb?
Oh.
Totoo bang pinalaki ka ng Sex Bomb?
Actually, hindi ko alam kung tama o mali ang word pinalaki ng sex bomb.
Bakit?
Kasi kahapon, actually sa Edmonton
Kasi hindi ako lumaki.
ang daming naglalakihan talaga mga ticket buyers. Malaki yung anyway, dapat yata kinalakihan ang sex bomb.
Kinalakihan ng Tama, sorry. Papapalit ko tong shirt ko.
Kinalaki ka ba ng sex bomb?
Oh.
Anyway.
Pero yun nga, Sir Ron, may paborito ka bang kanta ng Sex Bomb?
Of course!
Ano yun?
Pag naglalaba ako sa Quezon City,
Opo.
yung spaghetti pababa,
Spaghetti
saka
pababa.
pataas kasi magsasampay. Spaghetti pababa, pataas, magsasampay.
Yes! Ano yun?
Bilang pinag-uusapan nyo na ang pinalaki ng sex bomb, meron kaming ginagawa or nilulutong regalo para sa lahat ng pinalaki ng sex bomb.
Yun.
Abangan niyo po yan.
Naku!
Magandang
teaser.
regalo to. Inaayos na po natin. Pero soon.
Ayan, first time nilang sinabi sa Toronto crowd, no?
Jump in, travel and tours. At ang swerte namin guys, we went to Niagara Falls in their 2026 bus. Bagong-bago. Ang bango-bango. Ang linis-linis.
We're gonna ask the aptitude volunteers to help us find the lack of appreciation.
For jumping, yes.
Yeah.
Kailangan may picture ng plaque.
Ayan. Ang susunod naman po ay kunin na natin ang plaque ng ating First Love Yourself. First Love Yourself. Sumunod na po dito. Sunod-sunod tayo dito guys ha.
Yes.
3. One more. 2, 3.
We would also like to ask our gold sponsor to please ready yourselves.
There you go. First
Yeah.
Love Yourself.
First love yourself. Love yourself.
Lloyd. First Lloyd. Lloyd. Ay, salamat po.
Lagi. And our next, we would like to have you guys line up please. Guzman Dental Group, Guzman Group of Companies. Once again guys, our platinum sponsor, First Love Yourself, Sir Ronald Tula, and Miss Arlene Marquez.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you.
Alright, next, we have Guzman Dental Group and Guzman Group of Companies as our bronze sponsor. May I please have you on the stage and receive your plaque of appreciation.
Andito po ang mga representative ng Guzman Dental Group and Guzman Group of Companies.
Up next, please line up beside the stage. We have I Love TV.
I love TV.
I Love TV.
Okay, ready?
Maraming salamat, Guzman Group of
1,
Companies.
2, 3. One more.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
There you go. I love TV. Up next.
Up next, skip mo na lang muna natin si Miss I Love TV. Next, we have our production partner, EC Production. EC Production, may I please have you at the front
EC
have your
Production.
photos taken.
Easy Production. Where are you guys?
EC Production.
In 1, in 2. Next.
Moving on to our community partner, right of home, Angelito Collado and Gemaline Collado.
Nandito pa sila? Kakulyado. There you go.
Yes, po.
Representative.
Perfect. And we would also like to ask you next po to please get ready. Phoenix Horizon. Phoenix Horizon, if we could have you at the side, please.
Okay. Kasama na din ang Maple. Colyado
Get ready.
representative.
1, 2, 3. One more.
One more time. Next one natin,
We have
Phoenix Horizon.
Phoenix Horizon, and up next, ready po, Confederation of Ilocano Association.
Okay, Confederation ng Ilocano, nandito ho ba? Wala. Next. Harina Bake Shop.
Oh, andito daw si...
Andito po sila?
Meron po ba kayong
ayun.
malunggay pandesal?
Andito pala Ilocano,
Ay, nag-iisa. Ayan.
nag-iisa. At least meron, kesa wala. Let's go! Ikaw na, Brad! Ikaw na! Oh my Lord!
Hey guys!
Again, Confederation of Ilocano Association. Alright, next we have Harina Bake Shop.
Ang harina ng pagbabago, nasa na kayo? Harina? Harina. Nagmamasa pa ng...
Ito marami to, nakita ko naka-uniform. The Fraternal Order of Eagle.
Ayan, ano marami to?
Ito, marami mga
The
akin.
Fraternal Order of Eagles. They're wearing their fraternal uniform. And I believe sila din yata ang magma-marshals for tomorrow's event.
And we would like to ask Mugby Canada to please get yourselves ready.
Mugby!
Right after the Fraternal Order of Eagles, kayo po ang next, Mugby Canada.
Makabansang Unifikasyon ng Guardians Brotherhood International. Chairman Alae Veras. Okay, si Magby na po, Magby.
Mugby Canada. And up next after Mugby would be Zubo Asian Fusion. If I can-
Zubo Asian Fusion. Yes.
Yes, you're gone. Zubo, may I have you please ready at the side, please?
Okay.
Magby.
Mugby Canada.
1, 2, 3, one more. Thank you.
Isa naman. Zubo Asian Fusion. Zubo.
And up next would be JE Entertainment. If I could have JE Entertainment ready, please.
Okay.
Hatid Logistics.
Eto na, Hatid Logistics on stage.
Yes, Hatid Logistics. And up next would be Pinoy Vibes. Do I have anybody from Pinoy Vibes? Yes? Okay. If I can have you ready at the side po.
Hey guys.
Hatid Logistics,
1,
everyone.
2, 3.
Hatid Logistics.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Up next, we have...
Jen, may nakalimutan tayo, sorry. Tawagin natin, Mang Jose! Si Mang Jose, fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yeah, you're gonna be next. Ate. Yeah. Mang Jose, diretso na ho kayo doon, sir. Alam niyo si Mang Jose, napakasarap ng fried chicken yan.
Ay, kailangan nating matikman yun.
Yes. Walang sinabi si Billy Joe.
Ha, walang sinabi si KFC.
Mang Jose, fried chicken.
Okay guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, one more. Thank you.
Iba talaga tayo ni Mang Jose.
Up next, Pinoy Vibes. May we ask Pinoy Vibes to please head down to the stairs.
Etong Pinoy Vibes, nagkakalat ng positivity sa Toronto. Pinoy Vibes! Ayan.
Mga good vibes.
Kasama si Coco Martini, Ryan, and Jeff Dan.
Okay guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, one more.
Alright.
Would like to ask Pinoy Unique Design to get themselves ready. You are up next. Pinoy Unique Design. Do we have anybody from
At
Pinoy Unique
kung
Design?
wala pa, Jen, papasukin muna natin gold sponsor na late sila sa
Ay,
traffic.
late? No problem.
Dumaan sa Quiapo eh. Ate, let's go. Gold sponsor natin. Ang napakagandang realtor ng Toronto. Maraming nabibentang bahay at nagkakaroon ng magandang buhay. O, di ba? Parang realtor na rin ako dati.
Yes, si Miss Arlene
Okay
Martinez.
guys, ready?
Eileen Marquez! Uy, nahulog ang bahay.
Okay, one more time.
Miss Arlene, parang ano?
3, one more. Thank you.
Parang nalilito ko kung sino ang sex bomb.
Oo. Miss Marlene, parang kasama ka sa Sex Bomb Girls.
Baka naman. Alright, we would have like to ask our next Pinoy Unique Design. Do you have anybody from Pinoy Unique Design? If not, then we have Party On Productions. Party On Productions, Aptitude Inc. Johanna Flowers.
Yun?
Johanna Flowers.
Johanna Flowers?
I can buy Michelle Flowers.
Ito pong pamilyang ito, madalas nagdadala ng mga bulaklak sa mga artista.
Wow. At napakaganda po ng kanilang salubong sa airport.
Sa airport pa lang, may bulaklak na kayo.
Sure. Yeah, Johanna Flowers.
Got it?
Up next, ready po, Dean and Ruby's Cafe.
Guys, ready?
Johanna Flowers.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Dean and Ruby's Cafe, we have po. How about Vibe Manila? Vibe Manila up next. And then UDG Studio. UDG
I think
Studio.
UDG or wala yata UDG, hindi ko nakita. Wala ko, wala.
Okay, before we move on to our photographer and videographer, because I think busy sila, let's move on to our media partners, starting with Omni News TV. They're not here.
Is not here, I think.
Blogtio, sorry. Blogtio.
Black Toronto.
Win, baka ibalik ako ng Vancouver. Blogtio,
Black Tio.
Now Toronto.
Wala, not here. Not
Live
here.
Nation, Tinig Pinoy Radio,
Not here. Kuya JDL nandito.
Kuya JDL.
Kuya JDL. Kuya. Ayan po ang isa sa mga vlogger ng Toronto.
Okay.
Ready po si Quiz and Glam Team. You're up next, Quiz and
Okay, ready?
Glam Team.
1, 2, 3. One more. All right.
Okay, ready po Quiz and Glam Team. And also up next will be Kitchen Philippines. Kitchen Philippines.
Kitchen Philippines.
May favoritism ka, no?
Oh,
syempre.
Quiz and Glam Team on stage.
Oh.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yan sila ang
Wow.
Glam Team natin for tomorrow. Again, Kitchen Philippines, if I could have you ready here. And right behind
Okay,
Kitchen Philippines
Glam Team.
would be Sir Fred Cuisine.
Ready?
Sir Fred
1,
Cuisine.
2, 3. One more. Thank you.
Sir Fred Cuisine. Siya po ang nag-cater tonight. And maraming
Okay, up
salamat.
next po, we have Kitchen Philippines.
Kitchen Philippines.
And again, we have next in line Sir Fred Cuisine, King
Sir Fred.
Lechon, Seafood City.
Sila muna. Okay.
Oh, Kitchen Philippines muna. Okay.
Kitchen Philippines. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Kasama din natin sa caterer natin ng Kitchen Philippines.
And next, nakapila na po si Sir Fred
Sir Fred?
Cuisine. Sir Fred Cuisine, please.
Mauna ka. Tapos.
And up next, Krispy Kreme, if I can have your team ready at the side, please.
Siya muna. Sir Fred Cuisine.
Doon na.
Okay. My turn. Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. And thank you.
So after Krispy Kreme up next, we have Nets Cafe up next. Nets Cafe
Nets
after
Cafe.
Krispy Kreme. So we have Krispy Kreme on stage. They're on their way from the night tonight. And then right after will be Nets Cafe.
Okay, Krispy Kreme on stage. And Nets Cafe followed next to the Krispy Kreme.
Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
4. Thank you.
Ito yung matamis Krispy Kreme.
Yes. And up next we have Hideout. So Hideout will be our final sponsor or community partner for the evening. After this, we would like to call on our producers to please join.
Okay, guys. Okay,
Sorry, we
over here.
have Jimmy
1,
to
2.
join our artist at once.
Okay, one more. 1, 2.
So Hideout,
Okay, my turn.
and then
Okay,
we have
guys.
Jimmy.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
And we would like to ask Tita Cecil and Tita Agnes to join us as well. Tita Cecil and Tita Agnes, where are you?
Alright, Jimmy. 1, 2.
Jimmy.
Okay, may we call in Dr. Salon's staff. Please come on
Ready?
stage.
1, 2, 3.
Dr. Salon, are you there?
Host Ron, I think they're done.
Okay, Doc Salon.
Sir Ralph said they're done. They're good. So
Okay.
now we'll have Tita Cecil and Tita Agnes on stage. Is Hideout done? Hideout? So guys, as we wrap up our photo op, may I ask everybody to please take their seats so that we could organize ourselves as we get ready to eat. So if you could please take your your seats para maayos po tayo pagkuha ng food. Ready to eat na tayo lahat.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
We have Cecil Araneta, Jeff Tan, and Agnes Miranda.
And we would like to call our tech to please have their photos taken now as well. And then after which our photographers. No? Our tech, Kuya. Kuya Jun! Hello, Kuya Jun! Let's go! Go, go, go! Laban niyo yan.
Alright.
Yes, Kuya Jun! Ay, Nay! Kala ko sex bomb!
Okay, Zach, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you.
Okay, we would like to call our producers to please join the girls and have their photos taken. Aptitude Entertainment. Please, volunteers, please come up to the stage.
Okay, hold it.
Yeah.
Do we have Summer House in the house? Summer House, come on down. Summer House, nasan po?
Aptitude, please ready yourselves at the side while we
Summer
accommodate
House.
Summer House.
Summer house.
Nako, masarap dyan sa Summer House. Kahit winter, summer sila.
Alright. Okay.
Summer House.
Summer
Ready? 1, 2,
House.
3. And thank you.
The best
Okay, the next one would be, for now, we will call on Miss Sir Ralph and I Love TV. Okay, sir? Woohoo! I Love TV and Miss Lovely, go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Ralph Tugade of
Ralph.
Aptitude.
And Miss Lovely.
And I Love TV.
Come on.
Para hindi din po, Northern Lights and Sanrio, you will be taking your photos as well.
Alright.
Northern Lights and Sanrio.
Alright, my turn. You guys.
Your turn. Aptitude.
Thank you.
Aptitude Entertainment staff, I think
And
it's
I Love
best
TV.
for you
Maraming
to
salamat.
join your Sir Ralph here. So Aptitude Entertainment, please join.
Ayan, ito na yung gang ng Aptitude. The
Yes.
girls.
Sila ang core team natin tomorrow. Round of applause to our
And May,
production.
si May nandiyan, si Lori Lee.
Ay.
Yes.
Ay.
Si Jelly Bean. With the Sex Bomb Girls, ladies and gentlemen. There you go.
Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3.
And again, a reminder to everyone to please take their seats. After the photo op, we would now proceed to the main event. Si Sir Ron kakanta. Hindi kakain po tayo. So,